CSS. Lastly, we set our form field label, all the properties for the label, and now move forward. Let's move forward on to our, we have set it label. Now move forward to input field. So these input fields, and if we see, these are the input fields, and now we will focus on it and create the CSS input field. & main input background will be f. Border 1 pixel, solid, number sign d, and I think it's done. Border radius, the border radius of input field (3 pixel). Something is changed now. Okay. Font size of input field, what we text enter in our input field, the font size will be 11 pixel. Font family, same one. Padding, again padding 5 pixel from top, 5 pixel from top and bottom, 3 pixel from left and right. Let's see. Yeah, any text will be entered in this field. This is the distance between text and the border of input field. This is padding 5 pixel from top and 3 pixel from left and right. I think yes. Okay. When we focus that input field, main form input focus, so what will change it when we focus it? So border will be 1 pixel, solid, B3 or P3. Refresh. Yes, you can see when I focus it, the border color is changing. If I set it to any other, I will show you what I am trying to show you. So wait, see, yeah, this is when I'm focusing, the border color is now changing. So I'll set it to default. What I'm using, b3 b3 b3. Okay, I've set the input field on focus, and now we set the width of input field. The width is this input field width from this to from this, and I will set it to main farm dot text. The class text we set it in login farm. Yes, this input class text, I am targeting this input field and the class of text. So, class text margin 0 top, 0 right, 12 pixel from bottom, and 0 from left. Something wrong. Yes. 0 top, 0 right, 12 pixel from bottom, 0 from left. Close it. And width 98% of the whole width of the main full width div. So you have it, Control S, Alt Tab, and now it's now changed from that width to 98% of the LP. So I reduce it to something 90%. You can see it's changed from 90%. I'm fixing it to 98% because 2% will be used my padding and margin. So I set it to now. Let's target the button class. Okay, so main farm class. Okay, and on that class we will attach our image because it's a button, and set the background image with color f3 and URL image. This image I have already, this is a small image. You can search in Google and find this is a small PNG image, whatever you like, this image. So now repeat, image cannot be repeated, 4 pixel and center. Padding of that image and padding left 25 pixels. Save it refresh it. The button has come up. If I inspect its element, so I can show you. Yeah. Button class, okay, 70% from top and bottom and 22% from right and left, and this is the image and this is its text, and the padding between that image and that border 25 pixels. So now let's work on button, and for the button, the main the submit button, and the next button, I think let's what's the actual login. This one I didn't code HTML of that button, forgotten password, and this one something, okay. Anchor tag button as the reference null button. Let's go. Okay, let's write it CSS. Button tag on my class button, the next button forgotten button, background, F3 border 1 pixel solid, DC border radius radius to pixel, color 44444, cursor pointer, when you point on that link the cursor will transfer to pointer. See, the border radius is working. Okay, display inline block. It will be in block and indent, both the button in line and it will show in block. Font 700 alignment pixel. Margin right. Margin right of both the button will get 10 pixel. Again see this margin right 10 pixel, this one. So padding 7 from top, 12 from right, 7 from bottom, 12 from left. I didn't mention pixel 7, 12 pixel from right, 7 pixel from bottom and 12 pixel from left. Position attribute of the button class. Position will be relative. You can drag anywhere from that div. The div is the under main full width. So position will be relative. You can drag it from anywhere if you want to fix its position from that place to another place. Means to say, if you want, I am setting its position relative. I do not want this button from this. I am not fixing it from there. I can drag it. I can place it from here, 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 and here. That's why I said the placing is relative. So at the moment I am setting as in our final picture here. Position is relative. Text decoration none. I'm saving because this I am over it and picture its text decoration is moving from underline when I over it. So I change it to none, save it and refresh. No. So when text shadow zero pixel, 1 pixel, 0 pixel, and next button from a class button hover. Border all, left, right, bottom, left, 99999. 33333. Decoration none. Save it. Slow view inspect element. Send it. F5. So I think there is something wrong with that div and that border div because it's not getting padding. I will fix it, and let's do. I will fix it in later in that lecture or maybe other lecture. Okay, let's work on our footer. Let's work on our footer. Main under main footer. Main footer margin 0 10 pixel text shadow text align center text shadow 1 pixel 0 pixel number main footer link d now it's on center. I think we set it. So footer is on center, and last thing I have remaining in this CSS, the only one, this separator class, where it is. I used it. I didn't use it any separator still. Class footer take full width. I think where it was. Separate from passport button difference. Yes, here password no div class separate this class separate class separate border will be border bottom. One pixel dashed and dates. Margin 10 pixel from top and bottom and 0 pixel from left and right. So this button, and it will show in this button and this password field. Between that field, let's refresh. Yes, this border has been shown. Now the main part of our CSS has been done, and just a little bit optimization has been remaining from this field, because something wrong with padding from this border and this. So I will set it in the next part, and the next part will be definitely on our development part, and our HTML CSS part has been covered, and in development part we will work on our PHP and database, so Mysql. So stay tuned with me. Please do subscribe my channel onlinerana. If you have any query, do you want any improvement in my lectures or my videos and my working, please do write us, or do write me, or do write in your comment. Thank you so much.